Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Waveful is a super interesting social media app, one where your everyday activity can actually put money in your pocket. It's truly different from other platforms, as it directly rewards users for their engagement and for creating content. You can start earning simply by being yourself, sharing your passions, and interacting with the community. It offers a fresh new way to think about your time spent online. The core of earning on Waveful revolves around waves, the app's special in-game currency. You collect these waves by simply creating engaging content and actively interacting with posts from other users. Think of it like this: the more likes your photos get, the more comments you leave, or the more your friends share your videos, the more waves you'll earn. It's all about building a vibrant, active community. Once you've accumulated a good amount of waves, the exciting part begins: converting them into coins. These coins are essentially your real money earnings within the Waveful ecosystem. What's even better, you can then redeem these coins for actual cash directly via PayPal or choose from a wide variety of popular gift cards. It's a straightforward process, turning your in-app efforts into tangible rewards you can use. To truly maximize your earnings on Waveful, focus on posting high-quality, original content regularly. The more appealing your posts are, the more engagement you'll naturally receive, leading to more waves. Also, remember to actively engage with other users by liking, commenting, and sharing their content. Plus, inviting your friends to join Waveful can significantly boost your overall earning potential. Building a strong network really pays off. Waveful truly offers a unique and fun way to earn money, simply by doing what you love on social media. It transforms your everyday online activity into something genuinely rewarding, giving back to you for your engagement and creativity. So, why not give it a try? Download the Waveful app today and start your exciting journey towards earning real rewards. It's a great opportunity waiting for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.